And guess what does Ramadan give to us? Ramadan gives to us this very thing. It says that لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, so that you can become a person of taqwa. That is why Ramadan is such an important month. It helps us attain taqwa. It helps. That fasting that we do has nothing to do with us being hungry. The fasting is to get us into the habit. Have you ever thought about it? Why am I not eating? What is stopping me from eating? I'm all by myself. I can easily pretend that I have not eaten anything. I can do sahri with my family, come do iftar with them. In between, I can go and eat anything I want. I'm feeling thirsty, I can have a sip of water. Why do we go through that endurance and say that, no, I'm not going to do anything? Why? We do that because we think that, oh, Allah knows that if I'm going to do this or not. Right? What else stops us? There's nobody who is on our head. There's no camera which is watching us. There's no policeman who will come and fine us. That only that consciousness. 30 days of 12-hour plus exercise of reminder that Allah is watching you. You are guarding your actions because Allah is watching you. And not just food. In Ramadan, we watch our eyes, we watch our ears, we watch our tongue, because we know that this is important. I have to package my Psalm, I have to package my fast with all these graceful things, and then it will get me reward. It's for taqwa. But taqwa is not just attained because of these things. Taqwa is attained by other things as well. So, Ya ayyuhan nas, u'budu rabbakum allazi khalaqakum wallazina min qablikum. That, O people, worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. U'budu rabbakum, who has created you, allazi khalaqakum wallazina min qablikum, and he has created the ones before you. La'allakum tattaqun,